Hello friends, Bitumen mastic is used to effectively protect the body and car parts from corrosion. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Applying bitumen mastic is quite simply. First you need to completely wash the bottom of dust and dirt and dry well. If an anti-corrosion coating has already been applied to the bottom, then it must be removed completely. Then apply mastics with a brush and let it dry.
Ne oluyor? Kral vaziyet.
That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.